Hi Capricorns. So this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and we are meeting here Capricorns to understand what is the trailer of the month of December for all of you. Lovely. So Tarot, please tell me what can my Capricorn friends expect in this month of December 2022? I am guided to pick 7 cards this time for all my videos actually. Yes. Let me see. How can I guide? Money, 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 money. Oh my God. Oh God, Capricorns, you need not be so insecure about money this month. Money is coming, but you have this mentality. And this mentality is not going to serve you at all. Absolutely not. Okay, so if you are a miser, someone else is going to trouble you. See, energy comes and goes. So money energy has to always flow. Always the money energy has to come and go, come and go. If you are going to make your money energy stagnant, someone else is going to come and trouble you. You will be in trouble from some feminine energy who is very money minded. But if you change this miser mentality, this energy will not come to you. As simple as that. Understood? Stop depending on other people. This is a dependency card. So you're very dependent on people. Sometimes also for money decisions. Sometimes also for your work being done. Sometimes packing your bags for holidays. Sometimes making your reservations. So you really need to do something about this. You really need to do something about this. And again, this reading is for this month only. Might be that you've really worked hard this whole year and this month you just want to relax and that's why you want someone else to take care of you. Fine, I understand. I don't judge you. I understand. But again, the energy is stagnant, right? So that's not going to help you. You have to remind yourself that you have the strength of love. See, this person, she's also taking care of a lion. So this is the energy that you have and you have to revive that energy. When you revive this energy, no money will trouble you, no person will trouble you, everything will fall in place. And it is also time to learn something new. Even a 2 hours course or a 40 minutes course, there are so many web courses also available these days. This time to learn something. Learn something that will be really beneficial for you. Again, people will prove beneficial for you. Just don't be dependent on them. That's all I would say. And yes, you're a self-made person. Remind yourself this. Keep reminding yourself that I am a self-made person. I have strength of love. So I would also prescribe this, rose quartz rose to you. Keep this under your pillow or anywhere you could see this, on your, as a paperweight or whatever. So that will be really nice for you to gain self-love and love from others also. Only thing you need to remember in this whole reading that I gave you for today is don't be a miser. Who's once a miser, always a miser. You cannot get out of that loop if you keep on calculating money and things like that. It's okay. Learn something new. Go on a holiday and be with yourself. And yes, I'll see you in the next video where I'll be talking about how will your next year be. So wait for that and subscribe for my channel and share this. Thank you. Bye-bye.